Good morning, Rowan class. It's nice to see you again. Today we're going to say hello everybody and how are you? And then we're going to do some maths. In maths we're going to look at money. I've got some money in my hand. We're going to use our pennies to buy our snacks today. You also have a worksheet sent home to your mum's and dad's email which you can print off and practice at home as well. But first let's start with saying hello everybody. Hello everybody, how are you? Hello everybody, how are you? Hello everybody, how are you? How are you today? Right, how are you feeling? We're looking at our zones. Today I'm going to do it a little bit differently. I think you can do this. Can you show your helper or your parents your angry face? So if you're feeling in the red zone, what would your face look like? Well done. That looks a really good angry face. I hope you're not feeling angry today, but if you are, we can always do some push-ups on our chairs. Or we can do some exercise outside to help us get rid of all those hard, knotty muscles we have. So how are you? Are you feeling a bit silly? Can you show me your silly face? That's it. Go on, put a face. Bloop, 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 bloop. Can you do one back? Oh, you are very good at those ones, I can tell. And then that's in the yellow zone. In the green zone, we have our happy face. We're ready to learn. So show me your big smiles this morning. Oh, beautiful. I can see you've all been brushing and looking after those teeth. What about a sad face? You can show me a sad face. That's it. What's more, that sad face? Fantastic. Well done. So how are you feeling? Are you feeling angry, silly, happy or sad this morning? That's lovely to hear. Thank you for sharing. Today we're going to do maths. This is the maths similar to what we did in class. We did some spending pennies to buy snacks. I'm just going to move over here. Today, in our healthy snack shop, we have got an orange that costs 10 pennies. We have got some raisins and they cost 5 pennies. We have got some, a yo-yo bear. My son likes having these for his snack at school and they cost 8 pennies. And then we have got a kiwi. Ooh, it's a lively kiwi, isn't it? Rolling around the plate. Let's stay still, kiwi. Our kiwi costs 7 pennies. And we have got a nice red apple. Our apple costs 4 pennies. Here we go. Sorry, I had my finger on that, didn't I? To help us with our counting, we're going to first have a look at our pennies. I have got 10 pennies here. And we're going to count them into my other hand. Each penny is one number, so it's 1, 2, so let me show you. 1 penny, 2 penny, 3 pennies, 4 pennies, 5 pennies, 6 pennies, 7 pennies, 8 pennies, 9 pennies. Well, I did have 10. I must be very forgetful because I think I've lost one. Let me see if I can find it. I'll have a look for it in a minute. Because if I've only got 9 pennies, I don't have enough money to buy the orange. But I could buy something else. Let's have a look what's in our healthy snack shop. Oh, I've only got 9 pennies, so I cannot buy the orange. That's too much money. But I could buy the raisins, or a yo-yo bear, or a kiwi, or an apple. Today, for my snack, what do you think I should choose? Oh, you all have some different ideas what I should choose. Let me have a think. I think I might like to try a yo-yo bear. That yo-yo bear costs 8 pennies. So if I went into the shop, what would I have to say? We've been practicing using our really big words and our sentences. If we're using a talker, we might say, I want, and then select the picture of the item. But if we're using our voices, I might say, what would be a polite way to ask? Let me think. How could I start? What's a nice polite way to start? You're going to ask for something. I'm not sure. Can you help me? What do I need to say? What's the first word? Oh, brilliant, that's it. Please. Please, can I have a yo-yo bear? Oh, and I think the shopkeeper would say, yes, Melissa, you can have the yo-yo bear. That's going to cost 8 pennies. So I'd have to count out. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pennies, because that is how much the yo-yo bear would cost. But if I was the shopkeeper and I wasn't too sure if that 8 pennies was correct, I could use this sheet to help me. It shows that I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pennies. So if I'm not sure or I'm a bit lost in my counting, I could put that down, say, has Melissa given me the right amount of money? Let's check. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, oopsie-daisy. I think I might need a book or something. It's a bit harder. Let's have a look what I've got. Oh, this piece of paper will help me. 1. What number did we have to go up to again? How much was the yo-yo bear? That's right. 8 pennies. So let's check to see if I've got the right amount. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well done, Melissa. I've got the right amount. I have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I needed 8 pennies to buy the yo-yo bear. So thank you very much. That's what I've bought for my snack today. Now, in your home pack that I've sent home by email, you'll have all these different pieces to help you set up your own tuck shop. You can be the shopkeeper and sell some healthy snacks to everybody else in your house, or you could be the person buying them. But what I would really like you to concentrate on is asking really nicely for something that you'd like to buy, and then counting out the correct amount of pennies to buy that item. So you can't just give all the pennies in your hand, you need to know it's the right number. So if you can count to 8, you could count out your 8 pennies, and then you could check it using the symbol here that has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the same amount. And then you know if someone who's come to your shop has paid you the right amount of money, or if you have the right amount of pennies to buy what you'd like to buy for your snack today. I think you're all really clever. We've done some of this in school, and I'd really like you to show your mums and dads how brilliant you are at doing this, because I know you can all do it really well. Find some nice healthy snacks. Yours will be different than mine, because these are what I found in my cupboard. In your house, you might find something different. But have a look and ask your mum and dad first if it's okay to use your fruit and vegetables. Okay, so should we do it once more? Let's have a look. Oh, I tell you what, I think I'm going to choose an apple. I like apples. How much is the apple? Can you see? Let me have a look. The apple costs, what's that number? Trace it with your finger. It's a number, can you help me? That's right, thank you for shouting it out. It's a number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, I've got my little sheet to help me. So I'm going to say to my shopkeeper, who's me as well, hello Melissa, please can I buy with my money an apple? And I'll say, yes, you can buy an apple. It costs 4 pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'll put out my hand, and this time I've got to count. How many pennies have I got to count? I've got to count, that's right, 4 pennies. And I've got my little helping sheet here. But to start with, I'm just going to try and count out 4 pennies. Ready? Can you help me with counting? 1, 2, 3. That's it. What comes next? 1, 2, 3. You know, it's really hard when I don't have you here to help me. Let's try again. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's not enough. I need, how many more? 1, 2, 3, 4. I needed 1 more penny. So 1, 2, 3, 4. But am I right? Let's check. I know I needed 4 pennies. And here's my helping sheet because this has got 1, 2, 3, 4 pennies. So I'm going to put them on. Ready? 1, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I've got 4 pennies. So I can buy the apple. I can say, here you go. Here's your 4 pennies. And I say, please, can I have the apple? And then the shopkeeper would say, here you go. And I would say, what would I say? What would be a nice polite way to finish? What word should I say? Very good. Thank you. And that means I get to eat my apple for my snack. And I'm going to eat that in just a minute. So I'm going to leave this up for a second. You can do this at home. Do what number you're comfortable. If you can count to 20, you can use up to 20 pennies. If you can count to 5, then use up to 5 pennies. This is meant to be a fun activity, and you can sell apples and oranges or whatever is in your cupboard, because it could well be different from Melissa's, and have a nice time doing it. Okay, so today, do this. We have said hello everybody, so that has now finished. We have said how we are feeling. Oh, I forgot to say how I was feeling. I'm happy. I'm happy because I'm talking to you. I like talking to you and I miss being in our class sometimes, but it's all right because we'll be back there soon. So we've done how are you, and next we've done some maths. We have done our tuck shop maths, all about setting up a role play shop and buying some nice healthy things to eat. So have fun with it. It's really good to be interacting with people and using those fantastic words that you've been using in class, asking for things to buy and checking you've got the right amount of pennies. So our maths is now finished, which just leaves us time to say goodbye. So thank you for coming to class today, and I will talk to you again tomorrow. Take care everybody, keep safe, bye bye.